Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be showing you how to create custom illustrations in Canva that will make your design stand out from the crowd. So let's get started. First, you need to open up the Canva and select the custom dimensions option. You just need to click on the create a design, and here just click on custom size. Here select any pixels or the inches that you want. I'll be choosing the inches, and here I'll be selecting the 5 into 5. Just click on create a new design, and now you have the blank canvas for your illustration. The next step is to choose the illustration options from the left hand panel. You will find a wide range of pre-designed illustrations to choose from. Or if you are good in drawing, you can also draw your own customized shape and characters as well. Canva provides a vast library of design elements that you can easily drag and drop to your canvas. Let's go to the elements, and here search for the characters or the design elements that you want. Let's create an illustration of a boy and his dog looking into the sky, and the sky will be a starry black at the night time. It will have some of the trees and the grass in the middle and the background. So let's get started. First, we are going to do the background. For that, I'll be using the starry sky. Here, select the graphics to see all of them. You can see there's a pro version here, so some of these are paid. If you want to upgrade your membership, you can try the Canva Pro. Now we'll be using the free elements that we have here. I'll be choosing this one. I'm going to simply drag and drop on this. I'll place it right here and increase the size. Now I'm going to select this and again right click on it and click on lock, so it will not move and stays in the background. Now let's start adding our characters. This one looks good, so let's add it here. We also need a dog. Let's choose this one. I'm going to place it right here. Now let's set it for the trees. This one way too odd. Let's choose this simple one. I'm going to place it right here. Now let's add the grass on the background as well. I'll be choosing this. Now I'm going to hide this, and now let's focus on the design. Let's start with the trees. I'm going to select this and take a copy of this by Control C and Control V to paste it right here. I'm going to increase its size just a little bit. Yes, this looks good. Now let's move on to the grass. But first, let's select both of these and lock them. Of course, the grass is small, so let's reduce its size to something like this. I'm going to take a copy of this by Control C and Control V to paste it right here. Now I'm going to select both of these. Again, I'm going to take a copy of this and place it right here. Now I'm going to do the same. This looks good. Now let's place our characters that we have. As you can see, with just a few easy steps, I have created a beautiful illustration of a man and a dog in just like a forest view looking at the stars. You can add more details to it by clicking on elements and here search for the all to search for anything that you want to add. Now let's add the moon. Let's add the crescent moon. Let's add the crescent moon instead. I'm going to rotate it just a little bit. And I'll be reducing its transparency to somewhere about 30%. Yeah, this looks good. Let's place it to the place where there is no stars. Yeah, this looks good. You can also add your hashtags or signatures as well. And there you have it. Now once you're happy with your design, you can group all of the elements together and save your custom illustration as a PNG file with a transparent background. Just right click on it and click on group. Now you can easily use your custom illustration in any project or design you want. With just a few easy simple steps, you can create unique design that are sure to catch the eye of your audience. Now to save this, just click on file and click on download. Use any format that you want. You can choose the JPEG or the PNG or the PDF standard if you want to send to anyone email, or you can use the PDF print to print your design by using this PDF. Let's use the PNG format for this one and click on download. Again, you can click on file and click on download. Use the PDF print to print your design. When you open it up, if you zoom in, you can see you have made yourself a very beautiful and unique design that is sure to catch the eye of your audience. I will also leave the link of this illustration in the description as well, so you can use it or you can get the inspiration from it. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.